In the context of electrochemical impedance spectroscopy and its healthcare application, namely bioimpedance, this tutorial presents two measurement methods in aesthetic medicine and in diabetology to assess the amount of a substance delivered into tissue. For the first method, once the relationship between the impedance variation and the delivered amount is known, bioimpedance allows to assess the amount of drug penetrated into the skin after transdermal delivery treatment in vivo application. In the second measurement method, the insulin bioavailability is assessed indirectly. The leakage of a given amount of insulin produces a corresponding variation in the measured equivalent impedance inside the administration volume. Then, now, enjoy this tutorial.